Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by prepping a focused Figma file. Make 3 frames for desktop, tablet, and mobile using common widths like 1440, 768, and 375. Once done, apply an 8px baseline grid and a 12-column layout with 16px gutters so spacing scales predictably. Next, build reusable components for header, sidebar, cards, and buttons. This avoids duplicated work and makes responsive behavior consistent. Make sure to name layers clearly and use component variants for state differences before you start positioning content. You now convert content blocks into auto layout frames so elements flow naturally. Set horizontal sizing to fixed, hug, or fill depending on desired behavior. Then apply constraints on key components: left-right for full width, center for fixed elements, and scale for images, and immediately preview by resizing frames. Once elements respond correctly, create component variants for responsive states like collapsed sidebar or stacked cards. This lets you toggle layouts quickly and keeps interactions predictable across breakpoints. You finish by wiring prototype interactions. Add overlays for menus, use Smart Animate for transitions, and link frame variants across breakpoints to demonstrate behavior. Export assets at necessary scales, SVG for icons, 2x PNG for imagery, and keep slices organized per component. Once exported, test on real devices and in browser to confirm pixel-accurate behavior. If something breaks, inspect constraints and remove nested fixed widths or conflicting auto layout rules. Adjusting those usually resolves most responsive issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.